Hi, welcome to my studio. It's a cloudy day out today. I can't get outside to paint, so I'm working on a photograph I took a number of years ago at one of the parks in Central Florida where there are springs, and you could actually go swimming in these springs. I did not, but I liked the way the light hit the water here and there and tumbled over the rocks. This is not an easy piece to paint in watercolor, but I did a large one of this some years ago and I'm going to try it again. I also was drawn to how the light hit the bridge over here in the shadows. Kind of dark in there, medium tones, some nice blending of medium and then into dark, some light hitting this foliage. I am going to leave out these palm trees. I think they kind of take away from the whole scene, but before I even start doing color studies of this, I worked this out on a piece of drawing paper, and the size is about 8 by 8, and just to get a basic idea, this is, I guess you could call this a value sketch, in the sense that I'm just putting light and dark in and the shapes that are appealing to me. It is not a precise drawing by any means. It's small. It's just getting me to get to know what the composition is and what I want to do with it. And you'll notice little numbers. There's a 1, there's a 2. Let's see if we can find a 3. A lot of 1s and 2s, and a 3 right there, 2s, another 3 there. What are these numbers? These are 3 basic values that I like to think of when I paint in watercolor. 1 being the lightest, 2 being a medium, and 3 being the darkest. And that's how I get started with this, is doing a black and white pencil sketch. It's just a number 2 pencil on drawing paper, and I keep it fairly small, and I try to figure out what values there are, where the shadows go, where the light is, where would my focal point be on this, and just take a look at the photograph as a reference. I started out with that, and I'm moving into this, and the next step is going to be doing color studies, which is just swatches of color. And then I'm going to go on to do a small color study before I sketch this out and start doing the larger painting. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps you with your artwork and your daily practice. And remember, above all, keep practicing. Thanks a lot.